Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Ledger cold wallet. First, unbox your new Ledger device and ensure all components are present. Connect the device to your computer or smartphone using the provided USB cable. Then, download and install the Ledger Live application from the official website onto your chosen device. This software is essential for managing your crypto assets. Next, power on your Ledger and select Setup as New Device. You will then choose a strong PIN code, which can be 4 to 8 digits long. This PIN protects your device. Most importantly, carefully write down your unique 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key. Keep it extremely secure and never share it with anyone. Now, open the Ledger Live application and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the setup process. The application will guide you through verifying your recovery phrase, ensuring you have recorded it correctly. After verification, you can install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need directly onto your Ledger device through Ledger Live. This allows you to manage different assets. To ensure everything works, send a small test transaction to your new wallet address. Always remember to keep your 24-word recovery phrase in a safe, private, and offline location. Regularly update both the Ledger Live application and your Ledger device's firmware to maintain optimal security and access to new features. Your digital assets are now secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.